In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in WordPress. Whether you're updating your site, reorganizing your content, or simply want to make a specific page temporarily unavailable to the public, WordPress makes it easy to adjust your page settings without deleting anything permanently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove a page from public view while keeping it safe for future edits or use. And if you're new to WordPress, you can find a sign-up link in the description to get started. All right, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to your WordPress website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This is the first step to accessing your administrative controls, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to editing or managing your site. Now, when the login page appears, you'll see an option that says Continue with Google. Select that option. Using your Google account here doesn't just save you time. It also enhances security by enabling two-factor authentication. If you're already signed into Google, you'll see a list of your accounts. Simply choose the one associated with your WordPress site, and that's it. You're logged in. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Pages area. You'll typically find this option on the left-hand menu. This section is where all your website's pages are stored, including both published content and drafts. Think of it as the central hub for managing everything your audience can see, or not see, on your site. Now, scroll through the list of pages until you find the specific one you want to hide. When you've located it, hover your mouse over the page title, and you'll notice a few options appearing underneath. Click on Quick Edit. This feature is super handy because it allows you to make small, quick adjustments without needing to open the full editing interface. It saves you a lot of time when you just need to tweak a setting. In the Quick Edit view, look for the section labeled Status. This is where you can control the visibility of the page. Right now, it's probably set to Published, which means the page is live and visible to anyone visiting your site. To hide the page, change the status from Published to Pending Review. What this does is move the page out of the public view while keeping it in draft mode. It's like putting it on hold, still accessible to you, but invisible to your visitors. Once you've made that change, don't forget to hit the Update button. This step is crucial because it saves your changes and ensures that WordPress applies the new settings to your site. Without clicking Update, your page will remain visible, so make sure to double-check this step. Finally, it's time to verify that everything worked as intended. Open your website in a new browser tab or refresh the page. If you already have it open, navigate to where the hidden page used to appear, and you should see that it's no longer visible to the public. If it's still showing up, give it a moment to update or clear your browser's cache, as sometimes changes may take a little time to reflect. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a page in WordPress. By changing the page's status to Pending Review, you've removed it from public view while keeping it intact for future edits or publication. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.